Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Hawaiian Huli Huli chicken with Casual Chef macaroni salad. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The mise en place for the marinade. And here the soy sauce is going to meet the rest of the goodies for the marinade. Here I am using the boat motor to mix up the marinade. And here's the finished marinade. Soon the chicken thighs and the marinade are going to meet in a Ziploc bag. And here's all of them put together. And we go into the cold box for several hours. The medium shells are ready. Here's the mise en place for the macaroni salad. Here's the sauce or dressing all put together. Here's all the veggies and pasta for the mac salad. And here's the rest of the stuff ready to marry. Here I am adding the dressing. And here's the finished Casual Chef mac salad. And it goes in the cold box till dinner. Here's the marinated chicken getting ready. 3 thighs all laid out on a sheet pan. And in the hot box they go for about 25 minutes. Here's the chicken thighs straight out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.